Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can edit your videos with the help of this AI tool, which is very useful because here you are going to use AI prompts and then it will edit your videos accordingly. Sounds amazing, right? So let's get started. So the website I'm talking about is Descript AI. Okay, let's go for this. So this is the website Descript audio and video AI powered transcription. Okay, so sorry, this one is the website descript.com. Okay, so this is the overall layout of this website. Here you can see that there is 10,000 AI credits plus 10 media hours for free, and it's Black Friday deal. You can go and get now. Okay, so this is the overall interface of this website, AI editing for every kind of video. So here you will just write a command like this, and those will be there will be changes in your current videos. Okay, so let's create account first. Let's go for the get started for free. So here I'll select continue with the Google account, and that's how my account will be successfully created on the descript.com. Lots of users have been using this website. Personally, I have been using this website for editing the videos. Okay, so it's now taking us to the main dashboard of the Descript. So we are going to use it for personal purposes, let's say for marketing and video content, and you can go for the free version as well. Okay, so I'll skip, I'll do it later. Okay, continue. So here you can see that here you can upload your video file, and then after uploading your video file, then you can write commands here and it will edit the videos as per your command in just a few clicks. Or moreover, you can also do create with an avatar. You can upload an avatar and then you can make some video with the help of this that avatar. You can also use you can also create social clips, translate and dub videos, turn slides into videos, generate animated videos, even transcribing a file. Okay, so that was all about Descript, how you can use it, how to create account on this website, and there's a lot more that you can learn. But if you start practicing this website, your life is going to be very easy, because if you are a content creator, this is going to be a treasure for you. So that's all about for today, like how you can use this website. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.